Good morning, students. How are you? In the previous lectures, we have read about the first chapter of history, and now we will read first chapter of geography. The first chapter of the geography is resources. What do you mean of resources? Resources are those things which fulfill our needs. Clear? Which fulfill our needs. Resources are the sources of fulfilling human needs. They may be of three main types. What are the main types of resources? First is natural resources, second is human resources, third is man-made or human-made resources. There are three types. Clear? As man has evolved and development has taken place, human beings have not only found the various natural resources but have started using them, also created new sources. In this chapter, we will discuss the various types of resources, their classification on the basis of reason, renewability, occurrence, and development. Clear? On the basis of we will here is resources, natural resources, human made resources. Natural resources are there are four types of natural resources on the basis of reason, on the basis of renewability, on the basis of their development, on the basis of occurrence. Clear? Natural resources are substances which occur naturally and are considered valuable in their relatively unmodified or natural form. Natural resources, they help to satisfy our needs and wants. Water bodies in the form of oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, glaciers, ice caps, groundwater, etc. These are very precious for us. Air that surrounds earth is jet another natural gift. First is water, second is air, third is we can see forest covering huge land masses hold within them thousands of types of plants and animals life. There are fossil fuels, gases, minerals which are sources of development for a nation. Clear? Classification of natural resources. Natural sources I have told you already, on the basis of reason, on the basis of stage of their development, on the basis of renewability, and on the basis of occurrence. These are the four types. Clear? Classification, first of all we will read about the on the basis of reason. On the classification on the basis of reason. Biotic resources. Biotic resources means living things, living resources. Clear? Biotic resources are derived from animals and plants. From the living world, wildlife, forest, grasslands, marine life constitute the biotic resources. Clear? Abiotic, non-living. Non-living, as we say, air, water and soil. These are abiotic resources. Among the biotic resources which are very useful to man are rainfall and sunlight. These are also biotic resources. Clear? Biotic resources, we can say living world, wildlife, forest, grassland, marine life, and abiotic resources air, water, soil, sunlight, rainfall, etc. Clear? Classification on the basis of renewability. Second is on the basis of renewability. Renewable or inexhaustible resources. These are generally living resources like forest, fish, crops, etc. Living resources. Clear? On the renewable, forest, fish and crops. If these resources are used economically, they can renew themselves. They can produce again. However, if these renewable resources are consumed at a rate that exceeds the natural rate of replacement, the standing stock will diminish and run out. Among the valuable non-living renewable resources are soil, water, wind, solar energy and tides. Valuable non-living renewable resources are soil, water, wind, solar energy and tides. Non-renewable Non-renewable are those resources which can't be produced in short time. These can be produced, renewable resources can produced, but they can't be produced in short time. They need a long time to produce, as these are known as non-renewable resources. For example, fossil fuels, petroleum, natural gas, coal, minerals, etc. Clear? They take millions of years. I have told you they take a long time to be found. These resources are diminishing with every passing day. Diminishing matlab they are destroying, they are we can say ending, they are coming to end. Clear? So remember, here are the main some points. Substances which occur naturally and are considered valuable in their unmodified form are called natural resources. Second is, natural resources are classified on the basis of their reason into biotic and abiotic resources. Natural resources are classified on the basis of renewability into renewable and non-renewable resources. You have to read this carefully, and tomorrow we will read on the basis of stage of development and on the basis of the occurrence. Clear? You have to read these pages also. Thanks. Have a nice day.